welcome to this week's episode of Myra Beauty. Today we'll be making a raspberry swirl lemon cheesecake. Yummy! Okay, to start off with, we'll be making the crust. First we'll have 2 1/4 cup of graham cracker crumbs, a half cup of chopped pecans, a half cup of sugar, and 1 stick of butter, melted of course. Mix it all up, it gets messy. She used her hands, of course. Don't tell her I told you. So you want to press that on the bottom and the sides of the springform pan and bake for 6 minutes at 325 degrees. And then you're going to set that aside to cool. Next we're going to do the cheesecake filling. We're going to blend up 4 packages of cream cheese. Then we're going to blend up 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk all up in there. Then after that's done, we're going to blend in 4 eggs. Then after that, we're going to pour in 1 cup of lemon juice. Not going to blend that in, we're just going to stir it in. I don't know why, ask her. I'm going to pour half of the filling in the pan. Just half. And then next you're going to take this raspberry filling that you made by heating up some raspberries on the stove with sugar and mashing them in and swirling them into the cheesecake filling. Oh, that sounds so decadent, doesn't it? Raspberries. And after that, you're going to fill the pan with the rest of the cheesecake filling. And of course, mix more of that raspberry mixture on top of it. Yum, yum, yum. And then when that's all said and done, you're going to bake that for like 1.5 hours at 325 degrees. Ooh, look at that. Then you're going to let that cool for an hour and refrigerate for like 2 hours before cutting it. Now watch us make it look pretty and enjoy the B-roll. Thanks for watching. Bye.